Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today 19 of the 30-day journaling challenge. I am excited to do yet another page here because I had this memory to document. This happened probably a couple weeks ago, right before the school year ended. My daughters play varsity volleyball, and the school has this athlete banquet for all the athletes on the school. It's a really nice celebration. They do an award ceremony, recognition of their dedication, of their hard work, and also they celebrate the seniors and kind of have that announcement of what schools they get to, if they get to play for college. It's just super exciting, especially for the seniors. I always get tear up, even though I did not have any seniors this year. I know next year I'm gonna be crying like a baby, but yeah, so the school colors are yellow and blue, so I spent a good time today trying to look for a blue paper, and I only found this paper here that is a Christmas paper, so I'm gonna try to cover the paper as much as possible. I only want to see kind of like the background of it. I also had this piece of ribbon in my stash that it was blue, and so I thought it would be nice to kind of use that to create a little belly band. So when I was looking for ideas to work on this page, I had nothing, so I'm excited that actually this turned into something really cute with this lace. I also found some flowers that are exactly the colors of the school, which are the yellow and the blue, so I tried to incorporate some of that. So I always print two small pictures, and I try to make a bigger picture as the main focus. So we had a picture of all the girls together, and all the entire team. So I wanted to kind of have an outline, and I found this tissue paper that I had this little scrap piece, and I'm so happy I didn't get rid of. That was, I think, from the prom page, and I could use these as a little outline. So I decided to just rip a little piece and not worry too much about the edges, and just kind of have it be something very messy there on the background, but I wanted to have that gold shine of the tissue paper for the outline of the picture. And it's a very simple spread today, mainly again just trying to document the memories. I had a set of volleyball 3D stickers that I purchased some time ago, and I know cleaning my craft room not too long ago, I had it and I placed it somewhere, and for the life of me I could not find it, but hopefully if I find that at some point, I'll come back and put some of the volleyball stickers, because they had like medals, and it has like the little nets and the thing that says volleyball. So I wanted to use that. I just don't know where it is right now, but it's okay. I think I made it work with just the pictures and the background. I found this little paper doily that had the yellowish bluish colors, and I thought it would be pretty to add the title for the page. And yeah, now I'm just going to glue this whole piece onto the page. Now I did distress the edges just so they don't look so flat and plain when I'm adding these to the journal. So I'm just going to kind of just scratch the edges with my scissors before gluing this page. And so now that the page is added to the journal, I'm just gonna spread around all my flowers. Again, I was very happy to have these blue and yellow flowers. I always save my flowers from different kits, different collections, and they all go into this little container of lost flowers. And that is kind of perfect because I found quite a few of these little flowers here, so I'm just adding those throughout. So next I'm just going to cut a piece of cardstock. I recently picked up this blue cardstock for a different project, but I think this will be perfect for the journaling piece for this page. So I just got something to fit behind my belly band, which was perfect. And since the fabric piece had this little wiggly edge, I decided to kind of imitate that on the cardstock piece, and I have my little scallop edge scissors, so I went ahead and cut all around it. And so I'm just gonna finish up this page by adding my journaling. I actually ended up doing a whole page and a half because I could not I could never stop when I am talking about how proud I am of my girls and all their hard work, dedication, their passion for volleyball on the court, off the court, and they're just so amazing. And of course all the lessons they learn by doing sports and learning how to get up after a hard game, how to not give up, and yeah, they're just amazing. So I wanted to just kind of talk about a little bit of how proud I am of my girls. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed today's journaling page. I hope that you enjoy the video, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.